let's get started opening this. Just opening it. Now let's open. So, wow, there's a lot of things in here. So there's a thank you card. Oh, this is a cute little card. So let's see what it has in here. So it says, Hunya, I'm so proud of you that you've accomplished so much this year. Truly a revolutionary queen. Should be so proud of yourself as president of this job. So, okay, enclosed it for me. This is amazing. Thank you, Rebecca. And then, let's see what I got. So I got these nail pads. I also got these nail polish strips, so that's good. So I just like to thank